Hey guys, I'm super excited to show you my new smartwatch from Riversong. I have Motive 7S and guys, I fell in love with this. And let me tell you why. First of all, the design. It looks so classy and stylish at the same time. When you just hold it, you already can tell how high quality this is. The material is super pleasant and it's very comfortable on your hand. It has amazing 1.9 inches borderless display with multiple watch faces. And I like them all so much, so I can't decide which one to choose all the time. The touchscreen is super smooth, and one of the most important things for me is that the display is clearly visible in the sun. It has multiple great and very useful features like GPS, Google Map, NFC, voice assistant, digital crown, and of course you can connect it to your phone and it will show you call and SMS notifications, and you can even make phone calls through Bluetooth. This watch came with wireless charger and the usage time is up to 30 days. Just perfect. But the best part is definitely the fact that this watch is taking care of you all the time. It will track your daily activity. It has heart rate monitor, blood oxygen monitor, and even sleep monitoring. I think it's super important and I'm so glad this watch does that. It's great for sports and many outdoor activities. It has a multi-sport mode, which is great if you're an active person. It has even weather forecast and other many features. I truly love this. I think it can be a perfect gift for anyone you care about. So yeah, thank you.